What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. It's been a long time since I put up a new video. So long, and I'm so sorry. I have been so busy lately. Oh my god. I know it's been like, oh god, I think I haven't put out a new video since like June, and I'm really sorry. I actually have videos that I need to edit and put up, but they're so old. I can't bring myself to put them up because they're so old, but they are good videos, so I might put them up. We'll see. I just wanted to get on and put up a new video. It's just been so long since I've done it, and I feel so awful. I don't know why I feel awful. It's not like I have followers or anything, but I have been wanting to do a video for a while now. I just haven't had time. Like I told you guys in my last video, I was starting cosmetology school at Aveda, and the hours are insane. I'm at school 30 hours a week, and then when I'm not at school, I'm working. And I technically should be working now, but I'm not, because I really want to put up this video. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna do a video today. I don't know if I've actually done a video like this before. I might have. I want to do a peach and blue look. I might have put up a video like this. If I have, you get it again. Yay! And Aveda has been going really well. I'm in my third phase. I'm in intention. And so we're learning perms right now. I know, perms. Probably a lot of you are asking, do people still get perms? And yes, they do. People still get perms. They don't smell good, but it is kind of a fashion with high school boys right now. They'll do like a fade on the side, and then they'll get a perm on their hair on top. So apparently that's the latest fad. I just hate, we haven't actually started to do perms yet. This is my second week in the phase, and we've spent a lot of time on the floor. So I'm on the floor 2 days a week. And then in the classroom the other day. So if you guys want to get a haircut or anything by me, you can come see me. You guys can follow me on Instagram. It's Siren Studios by Ariel or something. Beauty by Ariel. Siren Studios Beauty by Ariel or something. I don't know. That's my Instagram tag. You can go see what I've been doing. It's a lot of fun. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little update. I'm not gonna talk throughout this entire video because it's just too much. And I do have to work today, and I have to run a couple errands. So it is, what time is it? It's 12:36. If you want the exact time, it's 12:36. And I just want to do a video today. I just want to do my makeup. I think I've kind of lost touch with my makeup, with doing makeup, since I've gotten in school, just because I get up so early in the morning and I have to be at the light rail station by a certain time. So I just don't have the energy to do my makeup in the morning. So I've kind of lost touch with that side of me, and I want to get back into that and start to enjoy it a little bit more. I've had the chance to work with Aveda makeup a little bit, but from what I can see, it's not the type of makeup that I can see myself working with later on down the road. It's kind of difficult to work with. I'm not saying that it's terrible makeup or anything. It's made from mostly minerals. It's a mineral-based makeup, and it's just kind of hard to get color payoff with it. And they don't have an actual foundation. They have concealers, and then they have like a tinted moisturizer and stuff, but it's not really the coverage that I like to work with. So I probably won't be working with Aveda makeup in the near future. I prefer the stuff like Morphe or Urban Decay or Hell Nyx. I mean, it's just, yeah, it's not my favorites. So I've kind of lost touch with it because we're not allowed to use any other type of makeup on the floor but Aveda makeup, and it's not where I like it. So we're gonna do a makeup tutorial today with makeup that I want to work with. peach and blue is what I'm gonna work with today. So yeah, we're just gonna have some fun today and we're gonna see where it goes, where it takes us. I'm pretty excited. We're gonna do this. If you want to get a peach and blue makeup look, then just keep on watching. I just have to tell you guys, my fingers are really dirty. Well, actually they're not dirty, they're stained. I did a balayage yesterday, and if you see my fingers and how gross they are, it's hair color. It's not, they're not dirty. So it's gonna look like I'm doing my makeup with dirty fingers, and it's not. They're just stained. They're stained really bad and they're really dry, so I just had to add that. Okay, back to the video. Alright everybody, that brings our video to an end. My battery is about to die, so I've got to kind of wrap this up kind of quick. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I try to put out new videos every week, but since being in school, that's just not possible. So I put out videos whenever I can. Sorry, that's kind of vague, but it's just the way it is. If you want to see more videos like this, I have a lot of videos up, and hopefully there is more to come. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!